Welcome to lecture video. I am Dr. P. Manivannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government College of Engineering, Srirangam, Trichy 12. In this video, we see the problems in the Black engine type problems. It is the for CSC department students, second year, fourth semester, MA for the paper MA 8402 Probability and Queuing Theory. Unit number 5, Advanced Queuing Models. In the previous video, we see the two problems in the Black engine model. In this video, we see the third problem. If a heavy machine shop, the overget grain is 75% utilized. Time study observation gave the average service time is 10.5 minutes with a standard deviation 8.8 minutes. It is the sigma. What is the average calling rate for the services of the crane and what is the average delay in getting service? These two are we want. The second part question. If the average service time is cut to 8 minutes, the average service time is cut to 8 minutes. First, the average time is 10.5. Here, if the average service time is cut to 8 minutes with the standard deviation of 6 minutes. Here 8.8 minutes, here 6 minutes. How much reduction will occur on average in the delay of getting served? What is the reduction? What is the time reduced to get service? This is the question. Now, this is the MG1Q model. Here, given the utilization rate means rho. Rho is 75%. It is 70 by 100, that is 3 by 4. Rho is 3 by 4. Let T denote the service time. That means E of T equal to 10.5 minutes. So mu equal to 1 by E of T per minute. Per minute, mu equal to 1 divided by 10.5. Given rho equal to lambda by mu, which implies lambda equal to mu rho. Mu is 1 by 10.5 into rho is 3 by 4. After simplification, we get lambda equal to 0.0714 per minute. This is the lambda value. Therefore, average calling rate of the service, that is calling rate means arrival. The rate is lambda equal to 0.0714 per minute. To take into hour, we multiply by 60. 0.0714 into 60 equal to 1.286 per hour. It is the average calling rate. Now, given sigma equal to 8.8. Therefore, average delay in getting service. Average delay in getting service means waiting into the queue. Waiting in queue for getting service. WQ equal to lambda square sigma square. That means this is the formula. WQ is WS minus rho. Lambda square sigma square plus rho square divided by 2 lambda into 1 minus rho. Substituting the values, we get 26.815 minutes. It is the waiting time in the queue. This is the average delay in getting service. Now, the second part is the average delay in getting service. It is the WQ. The average calling rate in the queue is lambda. Lambda already find. WQ is find. The second part is if the average service time is cut to 8 minutes. So, mu equal to the average service time. E of T equal to 8 minutes. Then mu equal to 1 by E of T equal to 1 by 8 per minute, given lambda equal to already known 0.0714 per minute, which implies rho equal to lambda divided by mu, 0.0714 divided by 1 by 8, which implies 0.5712. Rho is 0.5712. Sigma is given, standard deviation is 6 minutes. So sigma equal to 6. Therefore, average delay in getting service WQ equal to lambda squared sigma squared plus rho squared divided by 2 lambda into 1 minus rho. Substituting lambda, sigma, rho and lambda, we get 8.326 minutes. It is the waiting time in the queue after reducing the service time. Therefore, the difference in the waiting times is here 8.326. Previously, we find that this value is 26.815. So, the difference is 18.489 minutes. Therefore, the waiting time is reduced by 18.489 minutes. So, the second one is better. So, it is the reduced by 18. The next problem. In a factory cafeteria, the customer have to pass through 3 counters. Here, 3 counters. The customers buy coupons at the first counter, select and collect the snacks at the second counter, and collect tea at the third counter. The server at each counter takes an average of 1.5 minutes. Although the distribution of arrival time is approximately Python at an average rate of 6 per hour. Calculate the average time of a customer spent waiting in the cafeteria. Second one, the average time of getting the service. The most probable time in getting the service. These three are we want to calculate. From the given data, there are 3 counters. So k equal to 3. It is the 3 base model. Service time at one counter is 1.5 minutes. Therefore, total service time is totally 3 counters. So 3 into 1.5 is 4.5 minutes. Therefore, mu equal to, it is E of t. E of t is 4.5. So mu equal to 1 by E of t is equal to 1 divided by 4.5 per minute. It's a reciprocal. 1.1 divided by 4.5 per minute. The arrival rate is given, lambda is 6 per hour, which implies 6 divided by 60 per minute. Here per minute, so we convert all the terms in minutes. So we cancelled it as 10. So 1 by 10 per minute. Lambda is 1 by 10 per minute. Mu is 1 divided by 4.5 per minute. Therefore, the utilization rate rho is lambda by mu 1 by 10 divided by 1 by 4.5. 4.5 divided by 10, 0.45. It is the utilization rate. It is the k equal to 3 base. So Erlangian model, MEK1 model. LS equal to k plus 1 divided by 2k into rho squared in divided by 1 minus rho plus rho. It is the formula. Here k equal to 3. 3 plus 1 divided by 2 into 3, 6. Rho is 0.45. 0.45 square divided by 1 minus 0.45 plus 0.45. After simplification, LS is equal to 0.7. The length in the system is 0.7. Average time a customer spent waiting in the cafeteria is, cafeteria waiting time is, that means waiting in the system, WS equal to LS divided by lambda. 0.7 divided by 1 by 10. It is equal to 7 minutes. Average time of getting service. It is the getting service means in the system minus in the queue. The difference between these times. It is the getting service average time. So we want to find out WQ. First we find LQ equal to LS minus rho. LS is 0.7, rho is 0.45. Therefore LQ is 0.25. Subtracting we get 0.25. WQ is waiting in the queue. The time is LQ divided by lambda. LQ is 0.25 divided by lambda is 1 by 10. It is equal to 2.5 minutes. Then the average time of getting the service is difference between WS and WQ. WS is 7 minutes. Here waiting in the system is in the queue is 2.5. Hence average time of getting the service is 4.5 minutes. For each counter the service time is 1.5. So 3 times of 1.5 is 4.5. It is the waiting time to get the service. Getting service. Average time of getting service. Most probable time in getting the service is mode is k minus 1 divided by k mu equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 3 divided by 4.5. After simplify we get 3 minutes. Therefore the most probable